Okay, so we're going to be adding a new product today, and that product is going to be the moon charms with the customizable portion of it. So we're going to go find a initial product that would be a good starting point, which we'll ask Timothy which one does he recommend. I would think maybe this earring, right?
Well, what are you customizing?
We're doing the moon where you write the name down.
Oh, okay.
So we're not going to be able to write the name down. We just need to have the pictures of it, and we're going to have 4 different colors. So would the earring one or?
We're actually going to do something different because you're not going to use the fancy product designer.
No, right. No, we don't necessarily need to. No.
So we're going to actually just do a variable product. So what you can start with is maybe one of the zodiac necklaces.
Okay.
So you can type in the search bar.
Zodiac.
You can type zodiac.
So why don't we just pick a necklace?
Yeah, you can just duplicate it.
Right, duplicate this. Okay.
And then we'll start at the top. We'll start with the title.
Okay, so this is going to be Moon Pendant. Moon Name Pendant. Moon Name Pendant. Okay?
Okay, I think you can look at the finish. You can probably just change rose gold, rhodium to maybe just add in the blue, or unless you want to change the names to have different names than gold, rose gold, and rhodium.
Yeah, we can just change this to pink. Okay, so we've put in the basic description of the moon name pendant here, and now we're going to go down and look at the product entering. So I think we have to do attributes first.
Well, we're just going to go down the whole list.
Okay.
We'll just go through everything. So the product data, we want to be a variable product because we have
different colors.
Different colors.
Okay.
Okay. So on inventory, if you click, there's nothing we need to change in general. On inventory, you can just, I always have IW in front of all of it. N is for necklace. So you can just change that number, maybe just type moon since it's something custom.
Moon. Are these all capitals?
No, I would just do M and then lowercase. Yeah.
Dash name. We may have a different moon one.
Yeah, so you can leave the one or just get rid of it.
Yeah, we'll just leave the one because we have a different moon at some point. Okay.
Right.
So this stays the same,
Right.
and you just put the product, and then
Right.
look
So
at some
then you have a
moon
SKU number that's individual for that product.
name. Okay.
And then you have shipping. The shipping should be, the shipping is fine.
So it's going to go in another box.
Right.
Okay.
There's nothing you need to change there because it's actually done at the category level. Link products. Now, say you had another moon, right?
Well, I do want to link this to some other stuff.
Or you have
Like the name necklaces.
the name necklace. So upsells goes in. It shows those products in the cart. The cross sells show it on the product page at the bottom, like below the description. So for
Upsell, can you show me on?
Sure. So we're going to go to the front end of the website. So we'll just go to any one of these school spirits that all should be set up now. So we'll go to Apopka. So the cross sells show up below the description here.
Mm-hmm.
These are the cross cells. Okay, and you choose exactly what you want in here. So for the Apopka, it's all the other Apopka products.
Okay.
Okay. Related products, I'm probably just going to remove because, like, this is just an algorithm. You don't choose these, so this is not. It doesn't look right with anything really, because it just picks random stuff in the same category. So because these are all Spirit, it's showing different schools. Mm-hmm. So for all the products, you can just go ahead and select what you want to show, which will show up like this. Now when you go to the cart, we'll add this to the cart. When you open up the cart,
mm-hmm.
it will show. You may be interested in the other product, so it shows whatever you link there. So it's showing Apopka and it's showing Winter Park because you have an Apopka and a Winter Park product in the cart. Okay? So it's one extra step you do, but it makes a big difference because you type these in and you can add them. So if you want to do the name necklace, name necklace, we can do the 2D and then you can do the 3D.
Mm-hmm.
So type 3D. Oh, you need to do 3 characters. So name 3D, and then the same here, 2D. You do a space, yeah. So 3D space. Okay, so now you have both cross sales and up sales. The bundles, you can add a bundle. I haven't done it yet, but you can do a bundle where it will add another product in the cart, but I haven't done that. This just adds the cross sales and up sales, but that is something else you can do if you want to bundle something together. Okay, so that's that page there. So attributes, we're going to have whatever attributes we want. So for this specific product, we're only going to have one attribute, and that's going to be the metal finish. Mm-hmm. Okay? But now here's the problem. We don't have the colors we want in here under the products.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to get the door and we'll be back. So this we don't have the metal finishes because we have some new colors on here, and we can edit the colors if we want to change what they say. So how we're going to do that, we're going to leave this open so we don't delete this. We can actually, just to make sure it updates properly, we'll just save this as a draft. So we save what we just did. Okay, and you'll see that the name updated, so now you have the name in the URL where people visit.
Mm-hmm.
So that updates automatically. So now that's saved. So we're going to right click and open this in a new tab and go to our attributes, which opens up here. Make sure, yeah. And we're going to go to our metal finish. Attribute. So it may get confusing in here because you have all the different schools, you have all the different colors. So what I'll do Control F to go to find, and we're going to find metal finish.
Right there.
Okay, it's right here. Okay, we're going to configure the terms.
So now, right now, we just want to add to this, and then go back and then uncheck these and check the new ones.
Correct. That's exactly what we're doing.
Okay. So this is going to be so we'll call it 14K gold color. You got to do it one at a time, right? And the slug is what? I don't want to say plated, I want to say color, because, you know.
The slug
Can be the same?
should also update automatically. I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't put anything in the description there. It's mainly, so that's just, you just want because it's a drop down menu, all you need is the name and the slug. You don't need, this is for the fancy product designer, which we're not using.
Right,
So
got it.
all you do is hit add new metal finish. And the slug should update automatically. Yeah, see the slug updates it automatically. So all you need to do is type the name, and that's it for these. Because all the names are going to be different. Right, exactly.
And then we have blue.
Right.
Okay.
So we want to make sure that, yeah, there's no update button on this page. So this updates automatically when you add it.
Okay.
Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our product. Okay. We're just going to refresh the page because we saved it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to refresh it so we make sure that we get all the new settings. And then we'll go back to attributes and you'll just go back to metal finish.
Attributes.
You have to go to attributes first because we have to tell it what colors. The variations creates variations for each color. So
Metal. Okay,
so
attributes.
there's two things you can do. You can either click on them individually,
Mm-hmm.
or say like this one we only have like 6 things. So you can hit select all and then just delete the colors you don't want. So it's not a stackable ring, so you can get rid of that. You can get rid of those 4, those 4 at the end. So then you're left with your colors that you want.
Right.
And then click off of there. Now the zodiac symbols we don't need at all, right? So we're just going to delete that whole category of zodiac symbols. Remove right there, exactly.
Got it.
Okay, and what you'll do now is hit Save Attributes. Okay. Now, the next thing on this one, just open that back up for a second, just so you know, this default is not on.
You at least have to be checked.
Both of them have to be checked.
Because we're going to go down here and
Right,
make products with variation.
Exactly. Because what this will do when you say it's used for variations, that allows you to add a separate picture. It'll still have the drop down menu, right, with the different colors you want to use, but this, when you create a variation, will allow you to have a different variation for each color. So what we're going to do is just delete all of them. We're going to delete all the variations here. Okay? Just because we're going to start fresh because it's a completely different product, basically. Because there's no zodiac symbols and we don't want to... we're going to delete it. Now, what we're going to do...
We want to add them from attributes.
Right, we're going to do, since there's only the 4 colors, we're going to create a product for each color. I'm sorry, a variation for each color. So under this menu, you can create variations for all attributes. So at one shot, you can do all 4.
And that's what we want to do.
And then hit go.
Yeah.
And then you'll see that it will have the 4 different, it says how many are added, 4, right? Because we only had 4, and then we'll hit OK. And then you'll see the different names for each color. Okay. Now these are all going to be the same price, correct?
Yes.
So if you know what price it is, you can use this now, the same menu.
Where do you put the price?
If you open this menu up, you can do all 4 things at the same time. Okay? So all 4 variations at the same time. Okay. So there's all these different things you can do for price.
Set regular
so
price.
There's 2 prices that you have. You have set regular price and set sale price. So your regular price is the price that will have the strike through in it when you have a sale price, right? So you have your regular price, say like $35, and then you have your sale price at $25, and then it'll put that strike through.
We're going to put $39. Okay, where does the price go in?
You have to hit go, and then you type it there.
Okay.
Yeah, and we'll hit OK. Now, so this is an issue that, this is an issue for, I don't know if it's Firefox or something else, but we want to hit cancel here because we don't want to save the changes before closing the page, because if you hit OK, then it only updates one product. You want to update all four, so you have to hit cancel. That just happened with some kind of update with Firefox last year, and it's been persistent. So, Firefox or Woocomerse. There's nothing you can do about that.
Okay.
So we have the price. Now we need to add the individual stuff.
We need to go with the other
Oh,
price.
sale price. Yeah, add your sale price if you know what it is.
Sales price.
Mm-hmm. Then hit go.
And that's going to be, okay, so this should be $29.99. $29.99.
Yep, and then we'll hit OK. And then we'll hit cancel.
Once again, because
right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So never hit OK there.
It's confusing because you hit OK, but then, you just have to pay attention when it says, do you want to save the changes on the page? Whenever it says that, just hit cancel.
Okay.
But the other stuff you want to hit it.
So we have the price in now. We got the description in now, except for this change.
So this is a short, right? So you have two different descriptions. You have a short description, and then you have the main description. So do you want me to show you where those are at, so you know?
Yeah, you can, but I think I know what you're talking about already. We need to change this to what this is anyway, don't we?
Yeah. Usually you can just match them.
Just copy, right?
Right, because one on the product goes on the top right.
Yeah.
And then the other one goes in the bottom right above the products you may also like, the upsells or the cross sales.
Now, what if I don't want spacing in between this? So I guess it doesn't matter.
No, I mean it's fine. If you don't want spacing, you have to go to text here. Yeah, see, there's like a div and everything. So you can just, if you want that, you can just delete everything.
No.
And then, copy and paste it again, and it'll be fine. You can go back to visual. But I mean, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
It looks better with spacing, in my opinion, anyway.
Yeah. All right, so we got the now we're going to go create the products based on the variation.
Nope, we already did that. These are the variations.
Okay.
But now we need to do the individual stuff for each one of these. So if you open this up, right, we need to add a picture.
Well, that's we don't have. So I'm going to have to come back and do that. That's what he's doing.
So you have the pictures here. You just would click on this.
And just upload.
Right. And it opens up the same, picture menu.
Right.
That's normal. Pricing is fine. I don't think we need anything else. Scroll down. I think everything else, it's really just the picture.
You have to add that this, when you add that this is a necklace, the necklace thing is going to come up, right?
Well, that's separate.
Yeah.
That's automatic through the category. That's one reason why we did a necklace, okay? So when we have something in the necklace category,
the chain will automatically pop up.
You'll automatically have an option
to add it. Because sometimes we may be selling a necklace that already comes with the chain. That's set.
So something like this moon, you can also put in custom. I may change this from custom nameplates to customizable products.
Yeah.
Right. So in customizable products, we'll have pendants, and then whenever something is called a customizable product with a pendant, it needs a certain chain, and they're going to be set lengths for each customized product. The name necklaces, this product, anything else. So at that point, it will automatically show the options you want to show, right?
Yeah.
So there's nothing else we need to do there other than
we just upload the pictures.
Just keep it nice and simple. So you just have to close it down and then click on the next one.
I think I may have the picture.
You can minimize it. So we're in Photoshop and we're gonna
open it.
We're in Photoshop and we're going to open this in a new window so we can drag it into Chrome. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on one of them. We're going to right click on one of them. Yeah, so you're going to have to go back where you were before you clicked inside. You're going to right click on this moon name pendant and you're going to do open a new window. What this will do, take you out of Photoshop and you're just in File Explorer now. So you can grab all four and you can drag them into Chrome to upload them. Okay? So we're not going to make this full screen, right? Because the problem is if we're in Photoshop, it's full screen.
So
hit that, right? So now we're going to go to Chrome. Now we're going to we're going to upload the one we want to upload. So the first one is the 14 karat gold color.
Upload file.
Yes. So now we have to. You can click on this and you can upload them from here, but then you have to go find the products again, which I don't like to do. It's a big waste of time. So what I do, you can do one of two things. Okay, you can either drag,
hold shift maybe.
No.
Okay.
No.
Control. Hold on.
So.
Yeah. Now can I not just drag them in there?
Yes, but you have to click on one that you've already selected and just drag it. Right.
Yeah, okay.
But you can also go back here. Go back here, just so you know. You can, if you click on this folder here. No, not the back button. You need to click, go back, hit back. If you click on that little icon, you can copy your directory and then go back to Chrome. Go to upload again. So whenever you hit select files, go ahead and hit that. Right? You can paste the directory here and go right to the folder.
Oh, okay. Well,
okay, so you can do either way. It's whatever's easier for you.
Yeah, no, that's.
I usually just drag stuff in because I have it in a separate window.
We don't need to do that.
Right.
Okay. Well, they should be in there now, so I'm going to go back.
Nope. Go back here. We're going to go back to Media Library, and we're going to choose the gold one because we're on the gold variation right now.
Okay.
You don't need to change anything. Just go ahead and set variation.
It's going to generate a thumbnail.
WordPress automatically generates thumbnails when you upload it.
Okay.
So, yep, set variation image. So that's done. So you're going to click on...
I'll just click on this.
No. So this is a drop-down menu to choose the color of the variation for this product number, for this variation number.
I only have one. Yep.
So you'll understand when you close this. So close it. Close it.
This?
No, click on that. Now you see the other three, right? So now you see you have the 4 different variation numbers with the 4 different colors. So when you click on that, hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you? How can I help you?
Do you sell silver?
Yeah. Yes. What?
So we went ahead and added the thumbnails, the different thumbnail images for each color individually in each of the variations, and then we hit save changes, so that saved all those changes. So go to advanced. I don't think there's anything in there. No. You go back to advanced. You can enable or disable reviews, but you probably want everything enabled so people can leave them. So that's default. That's default on. You can go in here. Go in there real quick. So you can change the rate. Everything right now is all the default rate. But you can, like for an individual product, if you want to do a promotion to push something with the affiliates, you can increase the rate temporarily in this box. So if you want to do a different rate, say they get 30% instead of 20%, for something, you can do that. You can do individual things like that. If you go to extra, I don't think there's anything else I really change in here. That's really it. So there's just other options in there for different things. So now now we did this whole main part of the page. Okay. Now we're going to go, you can just like click on general, just at the beginning. So we did everything down here. We did the short description. So now we're going to start at the top of the right-hand side, and we're just going to go down this way. So this is not a zodiac
But it is
thing.
a necklace.
It is a necklace, but now with the necklaces, this is also a customizable product. So we can have, because now we have name necklaces, and if we do a couple more things with names, so if you scroll up a little bit, we have custom name necklace. You can either leave it like that, or if you want to change that name, we can change that name. Like customized products, if we're going to do rings and stuff. So, because the way I would organize it is you have customized products, and underneath customized products, you have custom necklaces. What that will do is in their custom necklaces, like we were talking about before, you can tell all the custom necklaces to have the same chain option. So we can add new categories. So we'll add, customized products. And then there's no parent category for this. Parent category.
This is the parent category.
Right. There's no there's no category on top of it. So there's no parent category.
Right.
So we're going to add that. Add new category. And then we're going to add custom necklaces. And then the parent category would be customized products. And then what you can do...
Now we have to move this one now.
Right. We'll do that. So just add this one first. Let's just add this one first. Because we're going to add...
Moon necklace? No.
No, we're going to add... We're going to have to add this category, custom necklaces. Because you're doing different kind of necklaces.
Okay.
So we can do custom name necklaces in addition, or just put the name necklaces under custom necklaces. Either way you want to do it.
I think you just move this underneath there.
Okay, so what you're going to do...
But, okay. I don't know if we need more than... We're not going to have that many different custom necklaces. And most of them are going to be, you're adding an initial or something.
Right.
So I would just...
Because you're going to put the custom necklace, you're going to have the harmony ones in here too. There'll be a harmony category, but you can also just check them off in here.
Alright, so we'll put custom name necklace. But this should now be under this one.
Yeah, we can do that. But let's finish you can uncheck it there because we don't want it checked. But let's just finish this product and do that first. So let's scroll down. Scroll down the page. That's the only category we need for this product because it's not a school or anything.
Right.
So it's just necklaces and then custom necklaces. So you have to let's scroll down the page. So I don't do anything with the tags. We're not doing anything with the fancy product designer. So the product image, you need to change this, and you just choose your favorite color. You can click on it. You don't need to hit remove. I mean, you can hit remove, but then you have to click on it again. If you click on the picture, it'll just open it up so you can change it. So I would choose your favorite color that you want to show, and then you hit set product image. And then your gallery, we can delete all these, and you just hit the box on the top. There's a little X, yeah. You just hit the X on all of them, and then you can upload and add different ones if you want.
Yeah.
Now, you don't need to add the ones you added to the colors, individual variations, because they're going to show up automatically.
Right.
But if you want to show product images on people and stuff, that'll show for all of them. Whatever color you choose, you'll just see the gallery images for all of them. There's no specific gallery images for a variation. You would have to do a separate product for that.
Okay, and then this shows up where?
When you're on the page, it shows in
on the
bottom,
main, right?
Right below the image. You can click on them and scroll
Okay, so
through.
what does location mean?
Location is specifically for the schools, so
Okay.
you don't need to do anything with that.
Okay.
So you can save this as a draft, or you can publish it if you want to.
No, we'll publish it.
So you have to. So whenever you get done editing a product, you can hit publish, and then it'll show up on the front end. We'll just make sure everything works.
Go just click here, right?
Yeah, view product.
Huh? Yeah, and then we'll show it on them. Oh, because it should have other products in here though. Oh.
It doesn't, because when you choose your option, it will change the color. Right? So when you have a gallery images, the gallery images will just show right below that.
Okay,
and you can change them.
Right, okay.
But the metal finish changes your color. So you have your 4 different colors, so you can see it.
Yeah, then we just need other ones.
Right.
Okay. Okay, that's done.
That's it. So, did you want to, in this video, did you want to, well, I guess let's do a separate video to show the chains? Right?
No,
How to add
no,
the chains?
just add it now.
You want to add it now?
I thought once you put it under necklace, the chain option would come up, you told me.
Right. What did we just do? We just created this category, right? So if we
Oh.
just created the category, it's not going to show up yet.
But it is still under necklaces.
Here's your categories right here at the top. Customized product, custom name, custom necklaces.
Okay, but don't we want to have it under necklace too?
Well, the necklaces, right? The necklaces are adjustable themselves, right? Like within, because the necklaces category, remember what we first did, right? We added the zodiac stuff. So the necklaces category was made, those don't have different size chains.
No.
Right? They're adjustable. So they don't have an option. The only ones that have an option right now are the name necklaces.
Okay, so we have to go to custom necklaces.
And tell custom necklaces, hey, anything in here you want to...
Okay, how do we do that?
So how you do that is, let's go to the back end of the website. You can just click on that. Click on I Want to Got It logo.
Yeah.
So there is a thing called product add-ons. Okay, so you can click on that. So you can go on to global add-ons. Okay, open this first one up here. So you have groups. So they're individual. You have to click on it.
Don't do that one.
It may be scroll down. No, this is for the customizing of the numbers. So scroll down, click on the next group, scroll down, choose chain length, right? So right now you have custom name necklace category and spirit necklaces, because those are the ones we create custom. So now you can just type in the category here, which is personalized or customized necklaces. Just click and then type.
Custom.
So custom necklaces.
Right.
Perfect. So now all 3 of those categories, it will show choose chain length on all 3 of those categories. And then you just hit save global add-ons. And now you can go back to the product.
Is there a way to do that from here, or I gotta go?
You can just hit products, because it's going to be the first one on the page, because it's brand new. So it'll show up first.
Let's say view product again.
You can just go ahead and click on,
This?
yeah, you can just click on that, the URL, That'll take you to the product.
14.
Now, you can change those prices. I just added those in there. It's something you can do.
Well, this you're doing globally, but let's say I just wanted. Okay, 14, 16. Yeah, that's fine. That'll work. Choose metal finish. I'm gonna go back and just put gold. Yeah.
Okay, so that's done. So let's stop recording.